Today I will show you this AutoCAD 3D modeling tutorials. This is tutorial number 3. So before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. To draw this drawing, firstly open the AutoCAD. This is the AutoCAD 2000 something version. Before we start the drawing, please check the unit. Write UN, enter, type decimal, precision 0.00, inches scale is millimeter, then OK. Firstly, we open this part. This dimensions are 52 and 80 millimeters. So REC for the rectangle 52 tab 80. Now we get 52 and 80. And then we draw just like this. So we need to use the reference line. So the reference line, type HL, enter, H for the horizontal, click here, enter again, V for the vertical, click here, enter. Okay. So this is the 10, 32 and 15 offset values. Okay. Type O for the offsets, value is 10. Enter, click the objects and then enter. Type O again, the offset value is 32. Enter, click the line, enter. And now again type O, the value distance is 15. Click here, 15. Enter. Then we use the train command to delete unnecessary line. Click, and then click here. Type TR again. So we have this parts. So we need to extract is 60 to the 60. Change the view to isometrics. Okay, this is isometrics. Command. So this is the line not connected. So we use the reg, region command, select object to group. Command, click here, enter. The value is 60. Now we have just like this. So that diameters, radius value 30 radius and 10 millimeter height. C for the cycle, click here, auto, the radius value is 30. And extrudes to 10. So this is a top view. So we need to combine this two object to one piece. Okay, I will show you how to combine it. How to align the 3D objects. Okay, so aligning the 3D objects, you need type 3D and 3D align. Select objects. Okay, select specify base point and click the three point on the objects. Now you have, and then click on the subject 1, 2, and you see the ASICs 3. Okay. Now you will see. Sorry. That we need to combine these two objects to one objects. So we use the 3D align. So type 3D align, select objects, split 2, 3. Then split. Okay. Now you have the top view, and then CP command, copy, select object, specify viewpoints here, enter. Okay, chain CS matrix. Now you have the combination of 2, 3 packs. So you need to use solid union command, select object to one group. Okay. Then you need to make the hole, 4 holes. Diameter value is 10. Okay. C for the cycle, it's D for the diameter 10. Okay. H2 to the value 52. This the 52 is the total length. Okay. Again, we use the 3D align command. Select object, split 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, and then split 1 point, 2 point. You can see the align 3 point. Okay. Another hole is 32. Okay. CP command, select object to 32. Okay, now we need to subtract the whole object, enter, select 2 object, enter. Now you have easily change the realistic view. You can see this 4 hole. Okay, very simple. This is use the 3D align commands to unchain the UCS icon. In this drawing, I have not used the UCS changes. We use the 3D align command to combine the packs. Okay, this is very fastest way. Okay, now and then use this cycle H2 is diameter 40 and the length is 80 minus 52 is 25. C command cycle diameter of 0 H2 to 25. Then another cycle is 55 length diameter 25. Here diameter 25 to the payload 55. And then we use solid union command. This 1 unit. Okay. Now we use 3D align command. Select object. Click here. Click here. Click here. To the object, the face, then here, here. Okay, now we have to choose the center, the value is 60, so the half point is 30. And for the move command, select object, center to, okay, specify. Okay. For the move command, select object to 30. 30 is the halfway. Now make the solid union command, select object to 1 unit. Change the realistic view. Now we have. And then we have to make one thing left. Since the chamfer distance is 45, 345. So to use that chamfer CH, chamfer H, select, choose the distance. The value is 3, enter, and distance to 3. Enter. Okay, now we have 3's. And then the value is the fillets. Okay. F for fillet edge. Yeah, the radius is 5. Change the realistic view. Now we have this drawing with the first text. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.